My name is Apostolos Chronopoulos, and I am the convener and the main lecturer of the core module dedicated to the law of registered trademarks. Trademarks fulfill an essential function on the marketplace by identifying goods or services according to their commercial origin. They guarantee that every product bearing a given mark, let's say the Starbucks logo for instance, must be attributed to a single commercial source that is responsible for its quality. The magic of all that is that trademarks allow consumers to reward good quality or punish bad quality without it being necessary for the consumer to know who the actual person or corporate entity is behind the product. But trademarks do much more than simply identifying the commercial origin of goods and services. They are commercial symbols encapsulating brand image. Think, for example, why you are inclined to buy a given product or consume a given service. You are not always driven by the objective attributes of the goods or the service, but you are also influenced from the advertising story, the symbolisms behind the product, the brand image. In our class, we will explore the various rules and procedures that regulate the protection of the various aspects of trademarks with an emphasis on European and UK law. Among other things, we will cover the protection of non-conventional trademarks, the assessment of likelihood of confusion, the protection of marks that have a reputation, the maintenance of registered trademark rights, infringement, trademark infringement in online settings, European Union trademarks, and some basic aspects of US trademark law. The module is taught by myself, a visiting professor, who is currently the famous Professor Alexander von Muhlendahl teaching European Union trademarks, and an experienced practitioner. The module is assessed by an online exam comprising both essay and problem questions. I have to say that my class is quite technical. Much emphasis is placed on the participants acquiring the skill to make legal arguments based on the interpretation of the statute and the invocation of case law. So, becoming familiar with important cases of the Court of Justice and also cases of the UK courts is very essential. The module will provide you with deep knowledge in the field of trademark law. This can open pathways for you to become a generalist IP lawyer whose practice involves trademark law. You can follow the path of one of the so-called trademark professions, including becoming a trademark attorney. You can work as an in-house lawyer protecting a famous brand or managing trademark portfolios. Last but not least, if you are selected for the traineeship opportunity at the European Intellectual Property Office that is part of the Pan-European SEAL program, the knowledge you will acquire in this module will help you do very well and make the most out of this fantastic opportunity. So thank you very much for your interest in the module and hopefully see you in class.